Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Janvi Raut, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department of Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to study our practical number 10, that is develop ladder diagram to test the functionality of logic gates. Now, logic gate is ability to make decisions when one or more different factors must be taken into account before an action is taken. This is the basis for the operation of PLC, where it is required for the device to operate when certain conditions are met. This practical will enable the students to use of basic gates for efficient hardware implementation using PLCs. Relevant program outcomes can be basic knowledge about electronics and telecommunication, discipline knowledge, experiments and practice, and the engineering tools. Practical skills students must have to know, that is digital circuits using PLCs, how to develop ladder logic programs for various logic gates, test ladder logic programs for various logic gates, and troubleshooting of the ladder logic programs. Practical outcome of this is to draw the ladder diagram to test the functionality. Now, minimum theoretical background. Basic logic gates. First, NOT gate. Output of NOT gate is the inversion of input. So, NOT logic gate can be implemented by using just one normally closed contact. Inverted state of input is obtained as an output. AND gate can be implemented by connecting normally open contact in series when both the inputs are set, then only the output is high. OR gate. OR gate can be implemented by connecting normally open contacts in parallel. When either input are set to high, output goes high. So here is universal gate, that is NOR gate and NAND gate. NOR gate can be implemented by connecting normally closed contacts in series. If both the inputs are reset, output goes high, otherwise remains in low state. Or inverting the output of OR gate. This can be using output of OR gate as an input of NOT gate. NOR gate can be implemented. NAND gate. NAND gate is the combination of AND and NOT. So here is the truth table of all the logic gates are given. Here is the sample ladder diagram drawn from the logic gates. You just have to draw this ladder diagram into program and verify the output as per the given truth table. Student have to write the any two questions from this given practical related questions.